Usual, we want to start off at the Nairobi Securities Exchange just to bring you up to speed on what the shares have been doing. Trading having just closed a few minutes ago at the Nairobi Securities Exchange, and of course our feed being the delayed feed about 15 minutes late. And just to bring you up to speed on what exactly trading has been so far, as you can see here on my board, we start off of course at the currencies markets, and today the central bank has pegged the shilling at 103.12 buying and 103.31 selling versus the dollar, while the pound is going for 136.85 buying and 137.14 selling, while the euro is holding steady at 121.17 shillings, while selling for 121 shillings and 40 cents. That, of course, is a quick snapshot of the currencies. Well, let's go to the stock market itself. Turnover for the day having closed at about, give or take, 496 million. Of course, this figure may shift slightly because, as I said, we have the delayed feed and the closing numbers might just be slightly different. While shares traded so far today, 19 million counters. NSE 20 share index at 37.32.19 points, while bonds traded are at 2.6 billion shillings worth. Well, more information on that, of course, the most active stock of the day. Of course, today, strangely enough, not Safaricom, but KCB. KCB moving 1.64 million shares as we see muted trading on the usually very, well, big selling counter there. Home Africa, 1.14 million shares, while Safaricom has done just 580,400 shares so far today, while Barclays Bank of Kenya has moved to the tune of 213,400 shares. Well, the winning stocks, that of course is the bulls of the day. Home Africa up at its limit there at 1 shilling and 10 cents, having so far gained 10% on the day, while Uchumi is up 9.84% on day trading at 3.35%. Stanley Fahari I-rate at 11 shillings 60 cents, 8.92% up, while Mumias Sugar is bullish to the tune of 4.76% at 1 shilling and 10 cents. Well, losers of the day, these of course are the bears: Samia, Kenya Airways, CIC and Athi River Mining. Samia losing 7.41% to trade at 2 shillings and 50 cents, while Kenya Airways is down 5.26% to trade at 4 shillings and 50 cents, while CIC is down 2.78% at 5.25 shillings, while Athi River Mining is down 2.08% at 12 shillings and 70 cents. Well, that is, of course, the update that is coming to us from the securities markets. As ever, we are interactive.